Welcome to this session on evolving agile practices and future trends. As organizations continue to innovate and adapt, agile methodologies also are evolving to meet new challenges and opportunities. This video will explore emerging trends like the integration of AI into agile processes, also the scaling of agile for large enterprises, and how agile practices are adapting to remote work and digital transformation journey. We'll also discuss PMI perspective on the future of agile and its roles on shaping project management for the next years to come. And to start first with the emerging trends in agile. So emerging trends in agile reflect the growing complexity of the modern projects. AI tools are now being used to enhance decision making and automate repetitive tasks and optimize backlog prioritization activities. Agile at scale has become an essential for large organizations looking to harmonize the team level agility with the enterprise wide goals. And there is also more focus nowadays on the um, um, customer itself and the business agility, ensuring that the organizations remain competitive and responsive to market demands. Now let's look about this hot topic, which is AI and agile practices. So artificial intelligence is transforming agile practices by automating the routine tasks such as sprint planning and progress reporting, allowing the teams to focus on value-driven activities. Also, the predictive analytics, which is powered by AI, can forecast the potential risks based on the historical data. Also, it can forecast in case that you're gonna face any delivery issues or delivery timelines. So, as well as the resource requirements for greater accuracy. It all depends on the historical data. The AI can analyze it and can give you these predictive analytics, which is powered by the artificial intelligence to help you, to avoid these risks in terms of delivery timelines delays or resource constraints. Additionally, AI driven collaboration tools are improving the team communication and engagement, particularly in remote and hybrid work environments. Now let's talk about agile at scale. So scaling agile effectively requires frameworks that like the scaled agile framework where we have discussed it in the previous session. Also the large scale agile implementation and the PMI discipline agile, which is DA, which offers a toolkit for these organizations who want to transform their processes into agile. So the discipline agile will help them, providing them a toolkit, a guide on how to move, let's say, to agile. So these frameworks provide a structured approaches for aligning multiple teams with the broader organizational goals while preserving the flexibility and responsiveness of agile. The challenge lies here in maintaining the essence of agile collaboration, transparency, and adaptability while coordinating efforts at scale. As you know that most of the teams nowadays they are, let's say, operating in a remote work, let's say, method. So the rise of remote work has led to significant adaptation in agile practices. Agile ceremonies like the daily stand up, the retrospectives, and sprint reviews are now conducted virtually, often requiring a creative solution to maintain the engagement. Like digital tools like Miro, Trello, and Zoom, and Microsoft Teams, Jira has become you know um, in- indispensable for virtual sprints. By building a trust and fostering collaboration in distributed teams is the top priority for agile teams, as it directly impacts the team morale and performance. Agile and the digital transformation. So, Agile is a key enabler of digital transformation, providing the flexibility and the speed needed to drive the innovation. When integrated with DevOps, Agile ensures the seamless collaboration between development and operation teams, resulting in a faster and more, let's say, reliable deliveries. Moreover, Agile practices are now being used to drive a broader organizational changes, embedding the adaptability and responsiveness into the company culture. Let's now look at the PMI perspective on Agile future. So PMI views Agile as critical component of modern project management, especially within hybrid models that combines the predictive and adaptive approaches. And the Disciplined Agile toolkit encourages the organizations to tailor Agile practices to their unique needs, emphasizing the flexibility and innovation. PMI also is highlighting the importance of continuous learning and adaptability in a rapid changing world, positioning Agile as a cornerstone of future ready project management. What are the trends in customer centric Agile? So, customer centricity is remains, let's say, or driving the force in Agile evolution. Agile teams are increasingly focused on delivering a value, let's say, driven outcomes that aligns with the customer needs. With having also a continuous feedback loops, you ensure the customers are actively involved in the development processes, leading to higher satisfaction and better product market fit. Agile iterative nature makes it also ideal for responding quickly to customer feedback and market changes. How Agile is preparing for the future. So, as Agile practices evolve, organizations must invest in upskilling their teams to stay ahead of emerging trends and technologies, fostering a culture of innovation and resilience, ensuring the teams are prepared to embrace the changes as constant. And by staying proactive and adaptive, the organizations can leverage Agile full potential to navigate the future challenges and opportunities. Let's now summarize our session here. We talked about these evolving agile practices, the AI, the future of agile, the scaled agile framework, for the large organization. We talked also about the disciplined agile as a toolkit to enable these companies on organizations to move towards agile. So agile practices are evolving to address the complexities of modern project management, and emerging trends like the AI integration, agile at scale, and digital transformation are redefining how the teams collaborate and deliver a value. PMIs emphasizes on flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement to ensure that agile remains powerful tools for achieving the success in an ever-changing world.